I'm Contessa Martial, and I want to thank you for joining my MarTech Webinar. I'm the owner and developer for MarTech, also known as Martial Technologies, and would like to share some of the new products with you today. First, let me tell you a little bit about how I got started. For about 5 years, I was a coffee host at Pilot Travel Centers. You all know, like I know, the lady with the coffee is the boss because we fuel America. As the coffee host, I was privy to all the woes of truck drivers and their companies, sort of like a bartender. Most woes I heard, I thought to myself, hey, well, a little of this should fix a little of that. Or why don't we do this and then that will fix that? So after several hundred of those thoughts, I left my job as a coffee host and began developing equipment for trucking industries, some of which I'll share with you today. Firstly, let's talk about why you need to update your systems. Most people think that trucking industry is only grabbing some guys to drive some trucks here and there. We all know that it's not even close to that. You must keep track of everything that goes on with a trucking company, and in so many different lines of communication that oftentimes they get crossed and communication is lost near and far with crucial information such as payroll, pickup, drop-offs, mechanical calls, etc. So we try to find ways to make these communications more efficient than they have been in the past. Every day there's a new piece of tech coming out, and it's either get with the program or get out of the way. Do you know that some companies are even interested in replacing human drivers? That's right. They want to put driverless trucks on the road. They believe this will increase productivity, safety, and decrease costs. But will putting a self-driving truck on the road with no instinct or brain really be better than a human driver? I don't think so. Besides, we'll fix the ins and outs of the trucking industry long before they get a driverless truck on the road. We want you to keep up with the tech. We don't want the tech to take over. Now let's discuss why you should update your systems with MarTech. Let's check some of these products out. So much information is being shared so many different ways, but we have created a way to have all the information united in a central location, and all personnel that should have access to it will have access to it. My products are very well developed and currently in use in other companies, which we will provide you with demonstrations and testimonials from them and others who have used our products to upgrade their lives and their company. These are advanced products that are well worth the cost, especially when you see how well your business is ran after purchase and how costs can be cut back with them. Here at MarTech, we've developed our smart board. Our smart board gives you real-time locations of loads, pickups, drop-offs, and anything else that you need to know during your daily routines. Don't you already have this? Well, kind of. But we've centralized it and made it eco-friendly. If the power goes out, no big deal. Our boards are solar powered, so you won't miss a bit of the action if you're having trouble in the office. And most importantly, it eliminates the need for the tons and tons and tons of paperwork that drivers and companies have to go through. If that's not great within itself, I don't know what is. Do you have problems with not reaching your drivers because of country roads and dead spots? Oh, not anymore. Not with our Wi-Fi GPS systems that are installed directly into the trucks. That's right, you're now a steamrolling communication system. All the truck systems are always connected to your office smart board. What else is connected to the smart board, you ask? Our MarTech watches, which are a work of wonder. Our watches are personalized to the driver's body and voices. They contain any and all information that the driver needs to do their duty. Features include medical alerts, voice activated calls, MP3, GPS, and anything else the driver needs to access. It's literally your entire company at the flick of a wrist. They are sleek and fashionable. Audio from the watches connect directly to the truck's sound system, which prevents the distraction of mobile devices and Bluetooth headsets. With our watches, drivers will be able to keep up with their own health data. Not only that, in case of trouble, these devices can automatically alert medical or emergency services anywhere in the country. As for constant monitoring by employers, that will not be the case. While our systems are capable of monitoring your health and personal ailments, the employers will not have access to this information unless under certain circumstances. Employers must have written consent to monitor the health information on our smart devices. And last but not least, our Ultra Hulk Deadbolt Trailer Lock. This lock is manufactured for loads small to large and has been developed with sensors that alert the driver of a problem and helps to prevent it, such as with heavy load incidents. The trailer lock could be compromised and the trailer goes flying at high speeds into the back of the truck. Our trailer lock prevents this, and it cuts the possibility of any trailer jackknifing to nearly 0%, which saves the driver in most cases and the people driving in around him or her. The lock can sense the weight shift and create a strong hold on the trailer components, which prevents it from moving from its current position. Anytime we get a chance to save lives, you better believe we're going to take it. Now, for all interested parties, we will have an open demo tomorrow so that you may see the products that I've spoken about here today and others that I've developed in the past. I hope to see you there. Come join the world of MarTech. We make sure wires go uncrossed. Bye, y'all.